Le nkonzo ibihlanganisa amalungu amabandla ehlukahlukene. Kuhloswe ngayo ukukhulekela ukwentuleka kwamathuba omsebenzi, ukulwa nobugebengu kanye nodlame olubhekiswe kubantu besifazane.
The significance of this day is that it brings all South Africans together of different races, religious persuasions, in prayer, and mainly to pray for their country, unemployment, end to unemployment, crime, and a whole host of things.
Kusenjalo amalungu ebandla elipheshukelwe uphahla ngesikhathi kuhlasela isichotho eRandfontein ngolwesithathu aphoqeke ukuthi akhonzele phandle namhlanje. Izakhamuzi zalapha zithi uhlelo lukahulumeni lokubonelela labo abalinyalelwa impahla ngenxa yesichotho lukhethe iphele emasini.
It's so unfair when it comes to processes and that, when there's a disaster fund where they can really assist our people. And for us, it's not about the money. We need material. We need that assistance to help our people. And for me, government really fails us. The way on Wednesday, there was interviews where the walkabout. I really thought the trucks is going to come in and that.
Ikhansela lizichithile lezinsolo lanxusa abantu ukuthi babekezele.
According to them, they're guided by legislation. They can't give you sheeting or tiles to fix the roof without engineers having actually inspected whether the building still has its integrity and so forth.
Ibalelwa ekhulwini imizi yacekeleka phansi ngesikhathi kuhlasela isichotho. Undunankulu wesifundazwe uPanyaza Lesufi wanekela kule ndawo ngokusheshsha wathembisa ukuhlinzeka ngosizo.